to take trials. At first we will create one object. We will create one cylinder. Click on Extrude. Click on Sketch section. Select the plane. OK. Take the circle command. Click on Finish Sketch. Give the height. I have given here 100. OK. Now I want to create one sketch at some distance from this vertical plane. For that I will create one datum plane. Click on datum plane. Select the reference plane. Give the gap. I have given 200 here. Click on OK. Now I will create one sketch on this plane. That sketch we will extrude up to this surface. Click on Extrude. Click on Sketch section. Select this surface. Click on OK. Then I will create one rectangle here. Click on Rectangle. Take the 2-point option. Then choose the object snap to point on curve and cancel this center object snap. Then create one rectangle. Then click on Finish Sketch. Then reverse the direction. Now I want to extrude this rectangle up to this surface. For that, click here and select Until Selected and select this surface. Then I want to merge these two objects. Click here and select Unite and click on OK. Then hide this plane. Right click on the plane and hide. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.